Okay, so I've been trying, and I made two that look like this, which are supposed to be dog leg warmers. So I will have them on. Let's see her reaction to how she likes them. There they are. Oh, it looks like she's really liking them. Lulu. Lila. Come here, boo-boo. Oh, yeah, she really likes them. As you can see. Lila. Oh, no. Here. Should we go get a bone? Let's go get a bone. See, she doesn't even notice. Come on. Come on, let's get a bone. Lila, leave those alone. Your socks, it's cold out. There we go. Okay. Come on, I did promise a bone, didn't I? Oops, Samson's drooling already. Lovely. Oh, there's Lana. She can't seem to eat her. You're gonna eat. There you go. Lila, right here, boo-boo. Come here, Lou. Samson? No, that's hers. Come on, Lila. Okay. Here it is, boo-boo. This is a new way to eat a bone. 1 foot in the air. Okay, come on. Come on.